Oh my god. I feel like a rock star right now. Like, I have wings! I'm so excited right now. Okay, guys. Give me a moment. I'm gonna go look for a liquid liner to try and finish up this look that I'm extremely terrified to try, but I really want to learn to do wings, and since I can't actually do a wing with liquid liner, I'm hoping this actually helps me. Fingers crossed. Let me go see if I can find a liquid liner, and I will be right back. I found one. I was kind of hoping I wouldn't find one so I wouldn't have to do it, but the whole point of even doing this video and putting makeup on was so that I can try out this product. And I obviously need a liquid liner to like finish off. I don't know how to do this, guys. All right, my hair is gonna have to go up in a bun real soon, but let's try out this product. I am so scared. Like, what if it like ruins my whole makeup look? Because what if it like doesn't work right? Okay, so this is the left side. Oh my god, I'm terrified right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got a wing! I like seriously feel like crying because it's like such an accomplishment. And yes, I'm using a stamp, but like I have a wing! Now hopefully I can put this one on like the right position. Oh wait, yeah, okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited right now, you guys. Like, this is legit excitement. Okay. Guys, I have wings. I have wings! I'm so excited. There's Alden. Say hi. Mama has wings! I've never had wings before. I could never do it before. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so I got this product off Amazon. I was originally going to get one that was like $13.99, and then I saw this one for like $6.99, and I was like, well, why would I buy one for like $14 if I don't know how it's going to work? I'd rather try a cheaper one, and if it doesn't work, like I didn't lose out on that much money. Guys, this one may not look as good. Like, it almost looks like it's pointed up a little more, and this one's a little more like kind of down, but I don't care. I have wings. What, are you trying to come in?
Yeah.
Give me a second.
Ow, my foot.
Come in.
You devil.
I didn't run over your foot on purpose. I'm sorry. Come on. Let me finish my video.
Oh my.
Here, move.
My feet.
Okay, I'm very sorry I ran over your piggies. I'm very sorry. I have wings! I'm like really scared to do this now. Do I have to? Do I have to like, because it's gonna probably ruin the rest of my makeup look, but I'll try. I'll do it for the video. Oh my god, I have wings! Oh my, I'm like seriously so excited. I'm gonna have to stop right here because it's almost at 30 minutes long, which is insane to me. So I'm gonna stop this and then restart the video all over again.
Here you go. Hey, Mama.
Okay, this is the part I'm really scared for because this is a insanely intense tattooed waterproof eyeliner in jet black by Scone. I'm pretty positive this came in an Ipsy bag, and I did test it on my hand so I know it does work, but I'm not good at this. Like, I'm not good at like going over the top of my eyelid with eyeliner. I can't even get like the top waterline for eyeliner. It makes me like flinch. It's really hard, so bear with me, guys. I really don't want to ruin this look. Like, I'm okay with how this looks with just the wings without the liner on top, but I'm gonna try it. It's gonna take me a minute, but I'm gonna try it, so bear with me.
Kick. See you.
Don't play with scissors.
Oda, PHOERA. No.
I did it. It may not look the best, but I did it. I'm so excited right now. Like, I can't contain my excitement. I've never been able, and the wings may not look perfect. Like, I still gotta, like, work with this product and, like, the placement of everything. Quit playing with scissors. Please. Now I gotta do this side, and I'm even more scared to do this side. Quit playing with scissors, Alden.
Oda, PHOERA. I saw no go. And say, a hoba, no PHOERA, a hoba, PHOERA.
Alright, now let me see how I can, like, make this really work. And the wings are a little intense, I will give it that. Oh my god, I have wings.
Wow, shit. You know that way.
Makeup wings, sugar, makeup wings.
Oh, for me.
Well, I can't show you at the moment. I'm trying to fix this eyeliner. Please stop playing with scissors before you hurt yourself.
Okay.
Oh my god. I feel like a rock star right now. Like, I have wings. I'm so excited right now, guys. Stop. Let me put my lipstick on. Oh, I did a terrible job. Like, I'm still overly excited about my wings. But I'm gonna have to fix this horrible lip job I did. Don't look at my lips. Seriously. Give me 1 second.
Hello?
Alright guys, well, that is my finished look. I am obsessed with this product. Like, I can do wings now. I can do wings, something I've never done before in my life. I am so freaking ecstatic. And I know they don't look perfect right now. Like, I'm learning, I'm working on it, but this product is like the best invention they could have ever come out with, because me trying to do a wing with just liquid liner, it's atrocious. I should make a video of me doing it just to show you guys, and we could get a great laugh out of it, because I will laugh at myself. I'm okay about laughing at myself. So if you really want to see me try doing winged liner with just this, let me know down below and I will do that for you. But otherwise, this product is freaking phenomenal and I highly suggest checking it out. I will link it down below so you guys can go buy it yourself. If you have problems doing winged liner, I'm obsessed. And also, I don't know if I showed you guys my mirror before. Yeah, you can see my ring light and everything, but this mirror is so cool. You just kind of touch it to turn it off, and then you can turn it off on the back as well to save battery. It takes either double or triple A batteries, but like you can like move it however you need to, but like I really like this mirror. I also got that off Amazon and I can link that down below for you as well. My son is here waiting to play because he just got up from his nap as I was doing this video. So I'm gonna go brag to my mom that I can actually do winged eyeliner now. I'm so freaking excited. She may even want to try this product. Excuse me. I'm gonna go, but I will be back very soon with another video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this, even though I have a photo bomber here, video bomber here. I'm gonna go before he does that again. I will talk to you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.
Mama.